Welcome to the Nang Nomad Fest. This is the second Nomad Fest in Da Nang in Vietnam.
We are at the Nang Nomad Fest, where I was invited to speak at this beautiful conference.
And it's an amazing opportunity to help me grow my portfolio and doing what I love to do.
We had the best time with the team of the Nang Nomad Fest, enjoying Vietnam and being all together, understanding the local culture and enjoying the amazing views. The weather has been perfect and I cannot express how happy I am to be for the first time in Vietnam.
And I hope everybody will enjoy because we are very lucky. It has a very sunny, clear weather and we love Da Nang and Vietnam. And we are looking forward to see you everybody there.
It's all about creating the feeling of belonging and connection and building meaningful relationships with other digital nomads and just sharing our skill with each other. They're so inspiring and motivating, their entrepreneurial spirit. So this is wonderful. I can't wait for it again next year and the years beyond.
It's been amazing connecting with other digital nomads and just learning about what it is to be a digital nomad in Da Nang.
So this is the day 2 and I really love the fest. Thank you so much! Woo!
Today we are at the Nang Nomad Festival and we're going to talk about AI voice agent. Let's get started right now.
The Nang Nomad Festival has been an amazing community of open-hearted human beings with inspiring projects and a lot of people that are really trying to make a powerful, positive impact on the world. And I'm honored to be a part of this community.
Da Nang
Nomad!
This is my second Da Nang Nomad Fest and I love being here because Da Nang is amazing and beautiful every single time. And I'm having a really good time here.
Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth.
And I'm here to just learn a little bit more about Vietnamese culture and I'm really happy I get to do that.
Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do.
Now we're here in this beautiful ancient town and looking at the history of it. It's just fascinating. So yeah, it's been a great few days.
Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Bring me down.
The Nang Nomad Fest is a great opportunity for you to meet new people, for you to build lifelong connections. I've met people that I've only known for 7 days and I feel like I've known them for my whole life. I've built some great connections here and I've learned a lot from many different people and many different experiences.
Good morning! And we have the Da Nang Nomad Fest Pickleball tournament which is supported by Yankee and we have an amazing tournament. Welcome!
Clap along if you feel like a